Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, University Park, local and long distance movers near me. It's necessary to get the move you want, and we offer the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. There is no better or easier way to move than with the right moving professionals. Our long distance movers can help you get a few states over or even further. Whether it's a 100-mile move or a 1,000-mile move, we make this so much easier for you. Hiring an Illinois moving company means you get the right team to help you. We provide movers ready to go to work for you. If you want to save time and avoid lifting on all your heavy items, local movers offer the solution. You don't have to worry about all the hard work when you choose a good moving company. 3 Movers will provide you with the right services you need for your local move. We will save you plenty of time and get you settled in so much easier. Our team takes care of even the largest move in just 1 day or less. In addition to local and long distance moving, our University Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.